Here at Mantis Dentistry and Implant Center, we take pride in our years of experience of doing dental implants here. So a dental implant is a titanium screw. The analogy is like if you're drilling a hole in the wall, you use a certain size drill and then you put that screw into that size. So an implant is done similar, except you're not screwing into a wall, you're screwing into the bone. So use the same concept, use certain size drills, the implant's a certain size and it screws in, and once it's tight, it's their 95% success rate, depending on who does it. If someone's inexperienced, it goes down to like 73 to 75% success rate. We've been doing implants since 2005. Misch, who was, to me, is a legend in the implant field, he taught me everything I needed to know about doing implants, how to place an implant, how to do bone grafting, when the sinus is in the way, how do I lift the sinus up and put bone in the sinus? Did I learn how to do surgery there? I learned how to restore. So all these things are years and years of built-on experience that I have, that I've learned from the top people in the world. I'm very proud of that fact that, I have the knowledge that was brought down to me from other mentors of mine. And even at the Koi Center, we learn which implants are the best to place, which design are the best to place. We learn the best ways and the most predictable ways at the Koi Center. Risk assessment means we're going to assign a colored dot for each category. Gum and bone will be red, which is high risk, yellow, medium risk, green, low risk. Teeth, there's lots of cavities, there's lots of root canals, there's lots of crowns. If there is a lot of stuff happening, it's red dot. If there's only a few things happening, it's yellow dot. If there's hardly any cavities, it's green dots. So that's how we attack risk. Medium risk, we're trying to move it towards green dots. So we have low risk situations in everything that we finish. If you're missing teeth and you're looking at possibly doing any type of implant, whether you're missing one tooth or several teeth, or if you need all your teeth removed, we invite you here to Mantis Dentistry and Implant Center. If you've been told that you need an implant or you're interested in implants, come to our office and we will set you on the right path.